Hi friends, this is Joydeep. You are watching my channel Tech Guru Joydeep. Today I will show you how to use YouTube Studio or YT Studio app in your Android phone or iOS phone. Before going to the video details, please subscribe to my channel and give your valuable comments, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get the notification on upcoming videos on my channel. So today I am starting uh, the video discussion on how to use YT Studio or YouTube Studio app in your Android phone or iOS phone. For that, first we need to go to the Play Store, and then we need to search YT Studio or YouTube Studio. So when you search YT Studio, you will get the YouTube Studio app, and you will show install option, and you need to click on the install. It will install to your Android or iOS phone as well. So here I already installed YT Studio in my phone, so it is showing open. So right now I click on the open button. When I click on the open button, it will redirect to me to the YT Studio dashboard. First I need to log in to the using the Google account, which account I created for YouTube channel. So I need to log in on that account in YT Studio. So after login, I am able to see a dashboard here. You can see I am able to see a dashboard here, and in dashboard you are able to see analytics, some analytics, watch time, views, subscriber change, and your videos, all the videos that you have uploaded. Now if I go videos, then you will see playlist option. In playlist you will be able to see your created playlist and all added videos, and in this comment section you will see all your published comment, and you can reply as well. And another important part is big and important part of YT Studio is the analytics. So now I clicked on analytics, and when click on analytics, the first menu is come overview. You able to see real-time views, last published videos, 48 hours, watch time manage, views, average view duration, subscriber, like, dislike, top views. These are you able to see, and this will shows only for last 28 days. After that, the next step is discovery. In discovery tab, you will able to see impression click through rate, traffic source, which traffic source your video is searched, like that Google, YouTube, external source, internal source, whatever source, traffic source, top external source. top YouTube search term. So this is the very important. Top YouTube search term is a tag. This is shows which tag is which how many percentage search on the YouTube or Google. So this is a very important top YouTube search term, where on that search term, on that search term you can check your tags which are popular, most popular. Top videos suggestion your content, suggesting your content. Top playlist playing your content. Then audience, in audience you can see gender. Gender means which male, female, which gender people are watching your videos, and which age peoples are watching your videos on last 28 days. Top countries, which countries peoples are was watching your videos. Top countries, top sites, subtitles, those things are available in audience. Interactive content, interactive content tab, you can check teaser, click per card, teaser shown, click per card shown, top cards, click per clickable annotation shown, top videos by annotation clicks. And playlist option, you will see number of times playlist were viewed. If you have 1, 2, 3 playlist in last 28 days, how many times your playlist were viewed? Video views in playlist, how many videos are viewed from your playlist? Average time, in average time the people watched your videos in your playlist, it will show here average time in playlist. Top playlist, top playlist video in your playlist. So these things you will to see in analytics part, and you can update anything in your video, tagline, thumbnail, those things you can edit. Click on the edit option. I just click on that and it is showing edit thumbnail. I can change the thumbnail, edit. I can change, add the tags here. I can add the tags here. This is again the YT studio. I can change it. I can change it to YT studio. That add that and change the advanced setting. You can change the category, everything you can change with the studio. So after changing, editing everything, whatever you want to edit, you can save it right now. After that you need to save. Just now I save it. Can able to edit my video using YouTube Studio or YT Studio app. So it is very useful app for YouTube YouTube's channel creator, and they can easily use it to analyze their videos. Uh, that's all. That's all. Uh, Please subscribe my channel and give your valuable comments. I will come with again another video next day, and please click on the bell icon to get the notification on upcoming videos on my channel. Thanks all for watching my channel.